Guys, we're gonna make some simple but damn tasty shrimp fajitas on our Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle today. Stick around. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. So glad you're here. Listen, this one's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be tasty. We're making some shrimp fajitas. We're doing it on our Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle, but this could be done on any griddle you have. Honestly, it could be done on a cast iron inside, but that's what we're gonna do today, okay? So we have just some little shrimps, about a little bit more than half a pound of little 4150 shrimp. I mean, there's about 40 to 50 of them in a pound. We've already marinated the shrimp. Got a little hot sauce in there from my guy Mel at Dark Side of the Grill, and I'll link his channel down below. You guys can check it out, but this hot sauce is pretty flipping bomb. You guys definitely need to check it out. We're going in with a little olive oil, about a tablespoon. We did about a tablespoon of the hot sauce in there too. And we're using a little spicy jalapeno from my buddy Joe from Qbellies barbecue. I'll put his information down below too. So we're gonna have some spicy shrimp marinated in there, right? And then we're gonna use a little Fiesta seasoning from Hey Grill Hey. So I'll put a link down to Hey Grill Hey underneath in the description too. Okay, so you have some links down below if you guys wanna do what we're doing here. I'm not getting any kickbacks on this stuff. It's just I'm helping out my friends. I love supporting small business. So if y'all want to do it like I'm doing it on my griddle over here, that's the stuff we're using down below. Now I have some peppers that were already kind of sliced up from the grocery store. I just sliced them up a little bit more, made them more julienne style. Took about a half of a white onion, sliced it up real nice and thin too. If you want more onion, you can do more onion. If you want less, do less, right? So it's real simple. Shrimps marinated, sliced up some peppers, sliced up some onions. Gonna go in with a little seasoning, a little olive oil on the griddle. We're gonna heat up our tortillas on the griddle too. We're using flour, and then we're gonna be done. You know, if you guys want to throw some cheese in there, you can, but the shrimp, the onions, and the peppers, I don't think you'll need much of anything else. Maybe a little bit more hot sauce. What do you say? All right, guys, let's go ahead and get over to that griddle, get started, and we'll get going. All right, stick around. We're over on the griddle. I have both of these two burners on about medium heat, so we're gonna add a little olive oil in there. The other two burners are off. We're not making a huge platter of fajitas here. All right, so let's go get our peppers and our onions on. Okay. Get it nice and mixed up with the oil. Break those onions down. We're gonna get these nice and softened, get a little color on them. Gonna be really, really good in the shrimp. While they're going, we're gonna add a little of the Fiesta barbecue rub from Hey Grill Hey. About a tablespoon or so, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. Woo, smell that chili. We're gonna get the peppers and onions pretty much all the way done first, and then we'll add our shrimp in. The shrimp are gonna take no time at all to cook, okay? But we wanna go ahead and cook them up with the peppers and onions so we get all the flavors kind of working together in there. And then we'll pretty much be done. We'll heat up some tortillas on the other side. We're moving, we're grooving. This is a quick one. Guys, if you're digging what you're seeing here and you're getting some value out of it, maybe a little entertainment, feel free to hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, I appreciate it. If you don't mind, throw a thumbs up on there. Helps with that algorithm, helps get this out to the people. You know what I'm saying? Let's get back down to the griddle, finish up these veggies, and we'll get the shrimp in there. Okay, we got the left burner on. You get to heat up these tortillas. Got it on low, so we'll be mindful of those. We got some great color going on them onions and peppers. Now let's add our shrimp and get it finished up. All right, shrimp going in. Got that marinated to go in with it. Let's just get them all cooked through. Woo. You all know the smell is going on. Got the spicy, whoa, get back here. Got that spicy shrimp. Got the peppers and onions. You're only gonna need to cook that shrimp probably about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes really. These are pretty small shrimp. You know, make sure both sides get cooked up. But yeah, this is just coming together real nice, real quick like. Tortillas are heating up over there. I mean, all you wanna do is just listen to that sizzle. All right, we got a nice little platter here for our shrimp fajitas. So we'll get these on with the tortillas, and then we'll go ahead and build us a couple nice fajitas. What do y'all say? Woo, look at that. All right, fajitas are all done. Let's go ahead and add just a touch more of that hot sauce on there. Right, let's build ourselves a nice fajita. All right, team, we are done. The dog is dancing around me underneath the camera here, waiting for me to drop a little bit of fajita here. Guys, we're going in like this. If you got guac, add some guac. If you want to add cheese, add some cheese. You guys do you. In fact, you know what? Throw it in the comments. What are your favorite fajita toppings? And what are your favorite fajitas? Do you like beef, steak, shrimp, all the above? Maybe a little lobster fajitas if you're feeling a little rich, little money, huh? What do you say? Should have done that. Anyway, guys, let's take a bite. Here you go. Nah, let's do go. Guys, guys, we're bringing the heat on that one. That hot sauce, dude, that heartbeat hot sauce by Dark Side of the Grill. Guys, get on some of that. That's some good stuff. Got that spicy jalapeno garlic rub in there. The Fiesta barbecue rub. Man, we put flavors to the moon and back. I'm saying this right here is money in the bank. Trust me on that one. Oh man, too dang good and too dang easy, right? It wasn't too much to this video, but get out on that griddle, have some fun with it. You know, experiment with your own kind of spices, combinations, seasonings, marinades, all that stuff, right? But this was money in the bank, like I said. So if you want to go with the ingredients that I use, I'll have links down below for all the barbecue spices and rubs and hot sauces and whatnot, right? Cool. If you guys want to get yourself one of these Pit Boss Ultimate Griddles or anything Pit Boss, I'll have a link down below. Check it out. Helps out the channel. Doesn't cost you anything more. If you guys want to become a show producer like all these awesome fajita loving people, Tex-Mex loving people, scrolling across the screen right now, right? Hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.